Obedience and happiness, are they like against each other in the Christian life? If you are happy, is that an indication that you're probably being disobedient? If you're being obedient, does that necessarily mean that you're going to be unhappy, unfulfilled? Is following Christ antagonistic to your own desires and passions? And Piper's answer on this point was actually my favorite part of this whole clip. He says,
"The Bible never teaches that if you want to do something, it's wrong to do it. And the Bible never teaches that if you don't want to do something, therefore it's right to do it."
Just because you love it doesn't mean it's right, but it also doesn't mean it's wrong. People believe that the right choice is always going to be the hardest choice and the thing you least want to do. But that's not true. I don't think it's true. Psalm 40, verse 8, "I delight to do your will. Oh my God, your law is within my heart." Christians are people who have been transformed. We're new creations. We have the Spirit of God indwelling us. We, of course, have sin that we're constantly mortifying. We have the old man. We have our flesh that we're constantly trying to put to death. And there are wicked desires in us. Being obedient does often mean sacrifice. But primarily, Christians are people who want to obey. And so no, happiness and obedience are not opposed to each other. No, they're not necessarily opposed to each other.
It is right and good to love doing what is right and good.